In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable link in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text on your site into a hyperlink that sends visitors to another page, website, or resource. First, sign into your Wix account and head over to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and make sure you're under the Setup tab. This is where you manage most of the basic settings for your site. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open your website in the Wix editor in a new tab or window where you can actually make changes to your pages. When the editor finishes loading, navigate to the page and the text box where you want to add your clickable link. Click once on that text box. As soon as you do, a small floating toolbar will appear near the text. On that toolbar, click on Edit Text. This opens the text settings, giving you more control over styling and formatting. Now, inside that text box, use your mouse to highlight the exact word or phrase that you want to turn into a link. Make sure you select only the text that should be clickable. With the text still highlighted, look for the link icon in the text settings pop-up that appeared when you clicked Edit Text. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click that icon and a new pop-up window will open. In this new pop-up, Wix asks what you want to link to. You'll see several options, such as linking to a page on your site, an email address, a document, or a web address. Choose the option that suits your needs. For this example, select web address. Then paste or type the URL you want to link to into the URL field. Double check that the address is correct, including HTTPS if needed, so your visitors don't run into errors. Below the URL, choose whether you want the link to open in a new window or in the current window. Opening in a new window is often best when linking to external sites, so people don't completely leave your page. Once you're happy with these settings, click the Done button at the bottom right of the pop-up. You'll see that the text you highlighted is now styled as a hyperlink, usually underlined or in a different color. That's it. You've successfully created a clickable link in Wix.